Looking for a smart video doorbell with 2K HD resolution, AI-powered detection, and no monthly fees? Introducing the Reolink 2K Battery Video Doorbell, a powerful security solution for your home. In this video, we'll explore its top features, setup process, and why it's one of the best choices for home security. Let's dive in. In the box, you get the Reolink 2K Video Doorbell, mounting hardware, and a user manual. Keep in mind, the chime is not included by default. You can use your existing mechanical chime or purchase the Reolink Chime V2 separately. The doorbell has a sleek, modern design that blends well with any entrance. It's built with durable materials to withstand all weather conditions. The 1.1 aspect ratio gives you a full head-to-toe view of your visitors. Equipped with 2K HDR resolution, the 4MP sensor delivers crisp and clear images. Even in low-light conditions, the infrared night vision ensures detailed footage, day or night. Say goodbye to false alerts. The AI-powered detection differentiates between people, vehicles, and packages. Get instant alerts on your phone when someone approaches your door. With built-in two-way audio, you can talk to visitors in real time. Busy? Use pre-recorded quick replies to respond without answering the door. Unlike other brands that require cloud subscriptions, Reolink offers local storage. The doorbell supports up to two 512GB SD cards with AES 128 encryption to keep your data safe. With dual-band Wi-Fi support, you can connect to 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz networks for a stable connection. It also works with Alexa and Google Assistant, and when connected to the Reolink Home Hub, supports RTSP and ON-VIF for third-party integrations. On a full charge, the battery lasts up to 5 months. If you prefer a wired setup, it supports DC 24V, AC 824V power input. Installation is quick and easy. Just mount, connect to Wi-Fi, and update the firmware. Perfect for families. Reolink allows up to 12 devices and 20 users to access the doorbell's live feed simultaneously. So, is the Reolink 2K Battery Video Doorbell worth it? Let's break it down. Pros: 2K HDR video with night vision, AI-powered detection for people, vehicles, and packages, no monthly fees, local storage support, works with Alexa and Google Assistant, easy installation, wired or battery-powered. Cons: chime sold separately, battery life varies based on usage. If you want a high-quality smart doorbell with no extra costs, this is an excellent choice. That's it for our review of the Reolink 2K Battery Video Doorbell. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart home tech reviews. Check out the latest deals at 4plusrating.shop. See you in the next video.